TechX here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Bamboo mouse. So essentially this is just a really nice mouse made of wood. Apparently it's handmade, it's eco-friendly, and it's fashionable, so let's get into the unboxing. Flaps open like this. Comes out like that. And slides out. Here's the back of the box. I'll give you a second to read that. And as well as that, we get a little pamphlet in the box with the features and the specs of the mouse. So here's the mouse. It comes in this little cardboard boxing, and it feels nice to the first touch, and it's just wrapped in this box right here. And here you have the cable, just a little tag around the cable to keep it together in the packaging. And here's the cable. It's a pretty long cable for the mouse. At the end, it's a USB connector, of course. And here's the mouse itself. It has the wheel right here, the two different buttons, and the company logo T-Bridge. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like plastic. Of course, it's bamboo. Here's the back. It's a laser mouse. Here is the barcode it comes with, and it just comes with these pads, so it slides nicely. It's a sound of wood. When the mouse is plugged in, you can see the back of the mouse. There's like a backlight, and it illuminates because of the laser on the other side of the mouse, because it's a laser mouse. I just thought that looked really cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use it and show you what it's like.
As you hear me start to howl, take a couple steps back. When I lose all control, watch me turn into a werewolf, and I will hunt till the break of dawn.
For some reason on this mouse, it feels really nice when you click it. It might just be because it's a new mouse, but I really like the way it feels when you move around, and the wood and the bamboo just feels really nice when you're moving it around. So yeah. Anyways guys, that was my review on the T-Bridge bamboo mouse. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Check out the mouse. If you want to buy, links in the description. I strongly suggest you buy this. It looks really nice, and it's a really cool mouse. It works really well. And yeah, anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one.